Copying your course content from a Blackboard course and importing it into your Canvas course is something that you can do very easily, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. First, we're going to start in your Blackboard course, and from there we're going to scroll down where it says Packages and Utilities under your control panel. You'll click and expand that, and then we're going to click Export and Archive Course. Once you're on the Export and Archive Course screen, go ahead and click Export Package. Here we're going to choose what it is that we want included in the export package out of Blackboard. You can leave the first two questions in their default settings and then scroll down to where you'll actually select the specific course materials that you want included in your export. If you want to simply export your entire class, you can go ahead and click the Select All button here, as I'm going to do. However, if you do select the Select All option, I recommend unchecking the announcements option so that you don't bring over announcements from a past course. It'll be one less thing that you have to clean up and reorganize once you import it into Canvas. Once that's done, you can go ahead and click Submit, and you'll get a message up here at the top that says Success, this action has been queued, and an email will be sent when the process is complete. You can also sit and click the Refresh button. Once you see the export file appear here, go ahead and click the name of it, and this will download a zip file to your computer. If you're using Safari as your browser, Safari will automatically unzip the file that you download, so you'll have to either recompress those files into a zip file, or the easiest way is to use another browser such as Chrome to avoid that problem. Now that we have our export file downloaded from Blackboard, I'm going to switch over to my Canvas course where we're going to import the file that we just downloaded. Within my Canvas course, I'm going to go ahead and click Settings. And over on the right hand side, you'll see a button that says Import Content into this course. We're going to go ahead and click that. And where it says Content Type, go ahead and click this drop down and select Blackboard 6789 export.zip file. This way Canvas knows what kind of file we're going to choose to import, and it'll make sure that the files come over correctly. For source, I'm going to click Choose File and locate the file that we just downloaded as the export from our Blackboard course. And since I already selected which content it is that I wanted to be downloaded, I'm going to choose All Content here, and then I'm going to click Import. Once it starts uploading, you will see the current job running and a progress bar on the right hand side. It will then shift to say completed when the job is done. Now most of your content will have appeared underneath the pages. This is where content items from Blackboard will appear, and any files that you had will also appear under the Files section, quizzes into the appropriate section, and assignments into the appropriate section as well. So if I click View All Pages, for instance, I can see this Intro to Web Development page that I know was in my previous course from Blackboard has come over. You can also tell by the date that it was just imported. Similarly, if I switch over to Files, I can see that there is an array of documents that were just uploaded minutes ago from my previous class. So now that your content is in your Canvas course, you'll have to go ahead and spend some time rearranging and adding into your modules as applicable, but the content should all be there. And now you're set to go to start reconfiguring all your Blackboard content into your new Canvas course.